y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Lori. So today's video is going to be a favorites video. I haven't done one of these in such a long time, but I love watching favorites videos. I have my little basket here with all my goodies, so let's get started. So the first thing we started with is with beauty. I love makeup. I'm definitely not a beauty vlogger, but I do enjoy makeup. So the first thing we get started with is this beautiful lipstick. So I'm actually wearing it right now. It's Givenchy. So it is this Givenchy lipstick. The packaging is just beautiful and the color is a beautiful red color. I don't wear red a lot on my lips, but when I do wear red, this is definitely the one I gravitate towards and I adore this. So this next favorite is actually my husband's. I was gifted this from Octoly and this is the Gentleman Givenchy cologne. Y'all, when I saw this, I knew Daryl had to have it because he is a gentleman. But this smells so freaking good. So here's the bottle. Super classy, but y'all, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like when Daryl put this on his body, it just went so well with his natural scent already. Oh my gosh, it smells good in the bottle, but it smells so much better on him. Maybe it's because he's my husband and I just think he's sexy. This is such a good cologne for guys. It's a very musky scent. If I can find the notes, I will list them down below. I can't remember. All I know is that there was some cedarwood involved and some woodsy, musky scents and a little bit of florals. Just a very tiny hint. It just goes together so well. Oh, I definitely recommend this. So sticking with fragrances, this was actually gifted to me as well from Octoly and I love this perfume. This is Black Opium from YSL. As you can see, this is empty already. Like, look at that. There's hardly any in here. I'm gonna spray some on me right now. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is my favorite perfume ever. I'm lying. My favorite perfume ever is Clinique Happy. That's like my go-to. That was the first perfume I ever wore. I didn't wear perfume until senior year in high school because I was all about my body mist. I was all about my Bath & Body Works body mist, my Victoria's Secret body mist. But my first official perfume was Clinique Happy and I love that. I still have bottles of that. I always have a bottle of that on hand. But YSL Black Opium smells so good. But thankfully, Octoly sent me another one, which they're so sweet. Thank you so much, Octoly. You guys are the best. And it is a bigger one. So I haven't opened this yet. Isn't that beautiful? That bottle is so beautiful. And Daryl loves the way it smells on me, so I definitely recommend getting this for your man. So my next favorite is this Trader Joe's Rosewater Facial Toner. Facial Toner. Hydrate and Refresh. And this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have been seeing this all over YouTube and Instagram. This is fairly new. They have a whole new rose collection at Trader Joe's. And I bought two of these. This is a brand new one. You can see I've used it a little bit, but I already completely used my other one because this is amazing. Like, I have the fresh rose water toner and that costs like 40 bucks. I don't know what I was thinking buying that, but I mean, it works very well and I really do like it, but this is almost the same thing. I want to say this was like $6, $7, maybe even $5. I can't remember, but it was way cheaper than the fresh one. And guys, this works just the same. I love this. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna talk about is this freaking beautiful gloss. So this was also gifted to me from Octoly. So this is the Givenchy Gloss Vinyl Lip Gloss. And guys, it's beautiful. Look at that. And this color is gorgeous. It's a beautiful rose mauve color. I adore this. I've been using this like a crazy person. This is the perfect lip gloss to wear when you don't really want to put lipstick on and do the liner in the lips and all that stuff. This is a perfect everyday lip gloss. I love it. It's not sticky. I hate sticky lip glosses. And this one feels so good on your lips. It feels like you have nothing on there. So I definitely recommended this. Oh, I do have another fragrance. I've been really into fragrances lately. So this is my Chloe Love Story fragrance. It's a little small. Oh, I didn't realize this was in the back. Ugh, YouTuber problems. I'm not gonna refilm this. So this is my Chloe Love Story perfume. This smells so good, guys. This is one of my favorite scents, and if you guys know Chloe, you know it's very expensive. I bought this when we went to New York a couple years ago, and if you can see, it's almost finished, but I haven't been using this. I use this very, very rarely because this is so expensive. And I think I'm gonna ask Daryl for Christmas for a bottle of this, because I think the smallest bottle is like $80 or something crazy, which perfume is normally really expensive anyway, but I really love the way this smells. If you guys don't want to go buy the expensive one, I definitely recommend going to, I think I bought this at Ulta. Going to Ulta and buy this. This is $25. So, I mean, look at that. It's so small, $25, but guys, it smells so freaking good. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. My next product is another lippy. This is from YSL. And these are the Tint and Balm Lippies. You guys, when I say this is my favorites, I use this all the time. So this is in the color, oh, also, this one, the Givenchy lip gloss was in the color, and I forgot to give you the other lipstick. I am not a beauty vlogger. Okay, so this is an 06 Gangsta Nude. And for this lipstick right here, this is in Rouge 13, the red lip. So I definitely recommend all of these. And this one I'm talking about now does not have a, I've used this so much that the number is gone. Oh man. And this is the lip balm I'm talking about. This is so gorgeous. This lipstick is almost finished. This lip balm's almost finished, as you can see. I use this all the time, and I'm not really one to buy like expensive name brand stuff, but this one right here, I think it's $36 for this little lippy right here. I can tell you, I will probably buy this over and over again. That's how much I love it. It just leaves your lips so moisturized. So it gives you the color of a lipstick, but it's a lip balm, and it looks so pretty. And you don't feel like your lipsticks to get everywhere. It just feels so good on your lips. So I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna look up the color and I will link it down below so I can tell you guys this color is perfect. So the next things I'm gonna talk about are some skincare products. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about for skincare is this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness Moisturizer. This is what the moisturizer looks like. It is very thick, and a little goes a long way with this, guys. Like, I've noticed, I normally buy moisturizers like from drugstores and stuff, and they're really watery, so they don't really last that long. But these last forever because they're so thick. You don't need that much, and this makes my face feel so good because I have really sensitive skin and I have a lot of redness. So this has been working wonders for my skin. I love it. Okay, I have 2 more products. So the next product I'm gonna talk about, has this been out the whole time? Oh my gosh. I hate when that happens. Okay, let's try this again. If that was out the whole time, I'm sorry. Okay, so this next product is going to be the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Under Eye Cream, yeah, that was, anyway. So this one is smooths, brightens, and depuffs. It's thick, exactly like the other moisturizer. I love it, and this is what that looks like. So I absolutely love this. Just to save more, so it can last longer, I literally use the product from here. Once I put this down, you get some product on here, and that's what I use for my eye cream. Just so I will put my whole finger in there and like get like an excess amount that I don't really need. So that's a little tip. A little tip to save and be cheap like me. So the last skincare product I'm gonna talk about is going to be this Fresh Rose Face Mask. Infused with real rose petals, hydrates and tones. Fresh are my absolute favorite skincare products. I do love It Cosmetics, but this is, oh my gosh, I love it. So this is what it looks like inside. It's like legit roses in there. It's crazy. I'm trying, I don't want it to fall out, but I love this. I actually want to use this on my face tonight. When I have like a spa night, I use this one. And I have other Fresh products I will talk about later on, but I've been using this one the longest, so I wanted to talk about this first because I'm still trying out the other ones, but this one is amazing. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about, you probably saw this laying behind me, is my little camera case. So this is my camera case. Isn't it so freaking adorable? When I saw this, I bought this on Amazon, and I saw it and I thought it was so vintage and it looks so beautiful. So I have the Canon G7X Mark II, and it fits perfectly in here. And honestly, any other camera, I had the Nikon 7880, which is also kind of like a G7X. I had that one, and that one fit in here as well. I think any camera that isn't a DSLR will fit in here. So I will link it down below. I can't remember how much it cost, but I will link everything down below so you guys can check it out. So along with that camera case, the next items are kind of techie. So this is my iPad, which is a favorite in itself. But my favorite part of this that I've recently done is turned it into a laptop. So this is the 12.9 iPad, which is so huge. Okay, it's really loud out there. So this is a 12.9 iPad, which I bought, I'm not too sure when it was, but I bought this keypad recently on Amazon. Amazon's like the best thing ever. So this basically turns my iPad into a laptop. I can type on here, I can edit videos on here now. So it's been pretty cool. I could have edited videos before, but it would have been like a lot of touchscreen and stuff. But this keyboard makes it just so much better. I was actually gonna buy a MacBook, but I decided to buy this. This I think cost like $30, the keyboard. So it ended up being a really good buy and I love it. So I definitely recommend that. And like I said, I will link everything down below. So this last product right here is going to be a lifesaver, guys. If you guys are a photographer, a YouTuber, or just like taking pictures of your family and loved ones, this right here is going to change your life. So this actually is a memory card reader for anything that you have that can connect to your phone charger. So you see the phone charger connection, you just connect it here, and all the stuff that you have in your memory cards get imported into your iPad or your phone. This is really cool if you're out and about with friends and you're taking photos with an actual camera and you have this in your purse or wherever, and you connect it to your phone, and you can instantly upload and import your videos and your photos to your phone from this. So I definitely recommend getting this. This was like, oh man, I can't remember the price, goodness gracious. I will link it down below because I cannot remember the price, but it was super affordable. And this has helped so much, turning this into my little editing station. Because sometimes I want to edit from the bed and I don't want to be down in my office. So this is so awesome, I definitely recommend it. So that's all for my random favorites video. Like I said earlier, I will link everything that I talked about down below so you guys can go check it out. So I know I had talked about having 2 different channels, but I decided I'm going to have everything on this channel because it's just so much easier. So you're going to see favorites videos, home decor videos, organization videos, cleaning videos, vlogs. Everything will be here at my Lovely Texas home. So make sure you follow me at my Lovely Texas home on Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because I've been getting so many messages from people saying that I haven't uploaded videos. And while I haven't uploaded very consistently, I have been uploading videos and a lot of people aren't seeing them because of that notification bell. So make sure you push that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a video. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.